everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I have a unboxing from Pandora. My last Pandora, remember, it didn't have the pearlized sleeve to the Cinderella coach. So I had to send that one back, and then this is the new one, hopefully, or it may be just the promotional offer. They're having a promotion with jewelry box and a cleaning kit. All right, so it's a pretty big box. Okay, came with bubble wrap. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, we got that. Here we go. See what I was missing? The top part, see?
Oh yeah.
And this is the jewelry care kit. Okay, and those are all freebies. And I got my receipt here. Yeah, if you're gonna be spending that much money on Disney 100, you need to get the sleeve. They sent the one without the sleeve. They just sent the Pandora box.
Right.
Okay, that wasn't good. And they said, oh, when I called, they said, oh, we ran out. I said, okay, well, people aren't going to be too happy about it.
No.
All right, it's the same one with the 14 karat gold, silver, and the Pandora diamond. And what I'll do is I'll put it on my Disney 100 bracelet with Oswald, because this is number 2. And Oswald, the lucky rabbit, is number 1. All right, and then if you spend $150 or more with Pandora, which is pretty easy to do, you get a free cleaning kit and a free jewelry box. So let's take a look and see what that is. All right, here we go. This is the jewelry cleaner. Okay, it comes with care card. Comes with the gentle jewelry cleaner. That's on the top. All right, and then it's got a, it feels like liquid. Okay. So I'll leave that on the top, and you get a cleaning cloth, which is pretty nice. Okay. And you get a little brush. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So that's one of the free items. And let's see what the jewelry box looks like. Okay, and that's what that looks like again. Okay, here's the jewelry box. It's pretty good size. All right, let's open it up. It's pink. Okay, this is pretty nice. Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah. It's got the Pandora.
You don't send it back?
No. That's the jewelry box.
Keeping it?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's a freebie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nothing wrong with that. Wow. Geez, yeah, that's pretty, that's free.
Yeah.
And how much do they cost?
I have no idea, but wow.
$100 anyway, probably.
Yeah, and you take this out.
Yeah.
And you can store stuff at the bottom there.
Hmm.
And what else do you get?
Hmm.
Oh, they're like a little divider.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty cool.
Pandora Box.
Yeah, and then they have
You're not
Pandora.
seeing those, are you? No.
No. All right, so that's your freebie that you get.
Yeah.
Stick it back in the box for now.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, for a freebie.
Wow.
So that's going on, I think, for another week or so. So definitely check it out. You get ring holders. You get little, for your charms.
Yeah.
You get little,
Okay.
okay. You get your little charm bars.
Yeah.
So yeah. And they just snap in. It's like a little tray. So yeah, you can't beat that. Actually, it turned out a little bit better because I sent this back. All right, because it didn't have this on it. This is pearlized for Disney 100. See how it reflects? Okay. And then I got this promotion along with the jewelry cleaner. So wow, that's really good. All right, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I hope you guys subscribe, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a great giveaway. You don't want to miss it, and all you have to do is subscribe. Very simple. All right, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.